Assalamualaikum friends, here is smoke editable text file for Photoshop, but these are protected password in this app. And follow me on Facebook. Here is my Telegram channel, Sheri official. Subscribe me. And here is 4 different PSD. For example, open this one, and now we need a photo. For example, open this one, drag here, enter. Okay, Control S for saving. You see, and click on hair color. That means you can change color. Now here is your photo. Updating smart object, close it. So you can adjust your own photo. I tell you just for example. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and take care. Love it.